More than a century ago, a single coin was dropped into a little blue box and a journey began for a people that had yearned for 2,000 years to come home. Coin after coin, from the cobblestone streets of Kovno to the subways of New York to the tip of Africa and Jewish homes around the world. With these coins, the first seeds were planted, and since 1901, the JNF has been planting seeds of education, development, sustenance and sustainability. And of course, we have been planting trees. In fact, there are more trees in Israel today than there were when we first started. Trees that have given us life and shelter, shade, fruit, music, medicine, homes, schools and shuls. Trees give us purer air and cleaner water. Since trees give us so much, what better way to show your support for Israel than to give a tree? For just 65 Rand, you can buy a tree for someone in the Forest of Giving. And each gift will contribute to a chain of giving, which is documented live on our website. As the chain grows, the Forest of Giving grows. Whether you give a tree to your Papa in Brisbane, your cousin in Canada, or your But in Benoni,
Pretty sweet, eh?
they all form part of a virtual forest of giving that will become an actual forest in the Negev, with the goal to plant 65,000 trees to commemorate Israel's 65th year. And the person who starts the longest chain of giving will win a trip to Israel to see the forest. A forest that's part of a bigger picture. A forest that continues a legacy that will nourish us for the next 100 years. A forest of giving. Give a tree to the Forest of Giving at www.forestofgiving.com. The Forest of Giving is a project of the Jewish National Fund of South Africa.